Start your day with these nutritious breakfast ideas. Join me as I challenge myself to create 5 delicious and nutritious breakfast ideas that will kickstart my day the right way. Starting your day with a healthy breakfast is crucial for setting the tone for the rest of the day. It gives you the energy you need to tackle your daily tasks, and it can even help improve your concentration and mood. Many of us struggle to prioritize breakfast in our busy lives, and it's easy to fall into the habit of skipping it or settling for something quick and unhealthy. I know I've been guilty of this too, but the truth is, breakfast is an essential meal that deserves more attention. Avocados are a great addition to any breakfast, and they're packed with nutrients. One of my favorite breakfast ideas is avocado toast on whole grain bread with a fried egg on top. It's quick, it's easy, and it's so delicious. Another breakfast idea I love is a smoothie bowl made with frozen berries, spinach, and almond milk topped with granola and fresh fruit. It's the perfect way to get in some extra veggies in the morning. Another nutritious breakfast idea is overnight oats. All you need is rolled oats, milk, and your choice of nuts and seeds, and you can prepare it the night before. In the morning, you'll have a delicious, filling breakfast waiting for you. And if you're in a real hurry, you can't go past a homemade breakfast burrito packed with scrambled eggs, black beans, and cheese. But my absolute favorite breakfast idea is a breakfast quesadilla. It's basically a tortilla stuffed with scrambled eggs, black beans, and cheese, and then cooked in a pan until crispy and golden. It's the perfect combination of protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats to keep you going until lunchtime. The most exciting breakfast idea I want to share with you today is a breakfast skillet made with sweet potatoes, black beans, and scrambled eggs. It's a game changer for busy mornings because it's so quick and easy to make, and it's packed with nutrients. Simply dice up a sweet potato and cook it in a pan with some oil until it's tender, then add in some black beans, scrambled eggs, and your choice of spices. It's a real crowd pleaser, and it's perfect for a busy morning when you need a boost of energy. In today's video, we've covered some delicious and nutritious breakfast ideas that will kickstart your day the right way. From avocado toast to breakfast quesadillas, we've got you covered. Remember, breakfast is an essential meal that deserves more attention, so try to prioritize it in your busy life. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have a favorite breakfast idea you'd love to share, please leave it in the comments below. And if you're looking for more meal inspiration, be sure to check out our next video on healthy lunch ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more nutritious meal ideas.